In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make Spanish delight ice cream. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the newer notifications. Here I'm taking a pan with 3 tablespoons of sugar, saute it on low flame until the sugar caramelizes. Once the sugar has completely melted, you can add few nuts of your choice. Remove from the flame and place it on a butter paper to set. When it sets well, remove from the butter paper and crush it. Here I am taking a bowl with 1 cup of whipping cream. Beat until it's stiff and fluffy. Here I am adding half cup of condensed milk. For 1 cup of whipping cream, we need half cup of condensed milk. And a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Beat well, mix them all together. Now I am adding 3 tablespoons of boost powder. Beat well until it's soft and creamy. Now add the prepared praline and mix well. Add this to an airtight container. Close the lid. You can even use cling wrap for this, and then close the lid and freeze for overnight or at least 8 hours. After 8 hours, let's serve this ice cream. You can top up your ice cream with your choice of nuts. So here is our delicious Spanish delight ice cream. So if you like my recipes, give it a thumbs up and share your valuable feedbacks in the comment section below. Thank you.